Hi students, this is the fourth problem of first unit. The problem is the force system shown in figure. It has a resultant 1000 Newton pointing up along positive y-axis. Find the value of P and theta required to give this resultant. So this problem is slightly different between the previous problem. What we have done in the previous problem, in the question they give all forces. We should find the resultant force as well as the direction of that resultant force. But here in this problem they give the resultant force. We should find some missed force. Okay, here look at here in this problem. Here this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. This P, the point, the force is missed, as well as the corresponding theta also missed, right? And the resultant force R is given in the problem 1000 Newton, and they mention clearly in this problem 1000 Newton pointing up along positive y-axis. Okay, positive y-axis. So this resultant force is acting towards the upward direction. Okay, and this force is 700 Newton. From this axis 50 degree. The angle of inclination of this force is from this angle is a 50 degree. And then next force is a 500 Newton. From this axis 30 degree. And one more force is there, that is a 600 Newton, and the angle of inclination of this force is 40 degree from the x-axis. Okay, so what should we do? Just first of all redraw this diagram, because for the calculation purpose we should take all theta value from the x-axis. That's also important. Okay, from the x-axis. So this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. This value is P. We don't know the value of P, and we don't know the value of the theta. Clear? We should find the both values. So here this value is already given, that R equal to 1000 Newton. Then we know that this value as well as this angle, but we should find the angle of this inclined force from this x-axis. From this x-axis, what is the angle? Okay, already we know the angle from this axis, that is equal to 50 degree. So what is the whole angle? From this point to this point is 90 degree. From this point to this point is a 50 degree. So 90 plus 50 degree, that is equal to 140 degree. So you can also write like given data given in the problem f1 equal to p. We don't know the value of p, right? Then theta 1 equal to, we don't know the value of theta. So we put like this, p as well as theta. Okay, what's the value of f2? F2 equal to 700 Newton and q2 equal to 140 degree. Okay, similarly you can find the angle of inclination of this force from the x-axis. So this value is 500 Newton. This angle is 30 degree, but we want to find the angle from this point to this point, right? So here this is a 0 degree, this is a 90 degree, this axis and 180 degree, this is a 270 degree. So from the 270 minus 30, if we deduct from this 270, we will get the value, that's the theta from this x-axis, that is equal to 240 degree. So you can also write like this, f3 equal to 500 Newton, theta 3 equal to 240 degree. Clear? Then next angle, this is the 600 Newton. So what's the angle? This angle is 40 degree. So we know the angle of this one circle, 0, 90, 180, 270. This is a 360 degree. So how will you find the angle from this axis to here? From here to here 360 degree. So 360 degree minus 40 degree equal to 320 degree. From this x-axis up to this point, 320 degree. So F4 equal to 600 Newton, comma theta 4 equal to 320 degree. Clear? This is a very important thing. How should we find the angle of inclination of this force? So that's also important. Okay. Then as usual, our procedure, summation of horizontal force equal to 0. Right? This is our concept. So first of all, write the formula. So what's the formula? F1 cos theta 1 plus F2 cos theta 2 plus F3 cos theta 3 plus F4 cos theta 4, because there are 4 forces, right? 4 equal to 0. Then substitute all values, whatever you know this value, just substitute all values in this equations. Okay. Do you know the value of F1? You don't know, right? You don't know the value of F1, so put like this: F1 cos theta, you don't know the value of cos theta 1. Okay. Then plus F2, you know the F2 value 700 into cos, what's the value, theta 2, 140 degree. Put them in bracket. Okay. Plus F3 equal to, what's the value of F3? 500 into cos theta 3 equal to 240 degree. Plus F4 equal to 600 into cos 320 degree equal to 0. When you solve this equation, you will get result like this: F1 cos theta 1 equal to 326.60. Okay, we get result like this: F1 equal to cos theta 1 equal to 326.60. Keep like that. This is the equation number 1. Actually, we don't know the value of F1 and theta 1. Okay. Then we know the next condition, summation of vertical force equal to 0. What's the condition? F1 sin theta 1 plus F2 sin theta 2 plus F3 sin theta 3 plus F4 sin theta 4 equal to not 0. Already you know the value of resultant force, 1000. Okay. Just this is the only slightly different, so keep in your mind 1000 is the resultant force. Okay. This is the resultant force which is given the problem. Okay. Then do you know the value of F1? You don't know, right? So F1 sin theta 1, you don't know the value of sin theta 1. Then you know the value of F2, 700 into sin 140 degree plus 500 into sin 240 degree plus 600 into sin 320 degree equal to 1000. Okay. When you solve this equation, you will get result like this: F1 sin theta 1 equal to 1368.73. This is the equation number 2. Then now we get a 2 equation. This is the equation number 1, this is the equation number 2. Now we are going to solve these 2 equations. Okay. So equation 2 divided by equation 1, that is equal to F1 sin theta 1 divided by F1 cos theta 1, that is equal to 1368.73 divided by 326.60. You can cut this F1. Sin by cos theta equal to tan theta. So tan theta equal to tan theta 1 equal to, when you divide this term, you get result like this, 4.19. So theta 1 equal to tan inverse 4.19. You will get the value theta 1 equal to 76.58 degree. 76.58 degree. Okay, now we know the value of theta. Then you can substitute this theta value in this equation 1 or equation 2. Any one equation, just better to substitute. Okay, here I am going to substitute this value in this equation 1. Okay, substitute theta value in equation 1. Okay, what's the first equation? F1 cos theta 1 equal to 326.60. Now you know the value of theta, right? F1 cos theta equal to 76.58 equal to 326.60. When you solve this term, F1 equal to 326.60 divided by cos 76.58, you get the value F1 equal to 1407.22 Newton. So value of the F1 equal to 1407.22. Also you can say like this, P. This is the value of P, this is the value of theta. The corresponding value of P, theta equal to 76.58 degree. Okay, that's all about this problem. This is also one of the important university question, and thank you for watching this video.